Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Reagan. Today I'm going to be going over my month of March favorites. These are the things that I've been using for the month of March. Some of them are going to be probably repeats from way back when I did a monthly favorite before, but some of these are newer items. So I just want to kind of address everything. Now I am wearing everything right now so that you can see what it looks like. So we're going to start out first with primer. This is the primer that I have pretty much been using every day since the day I bought it. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Iconic Primer Stick. This is really good for if you have oily skin. This helps kind of knock down that oil tremendously. The foundation that I have been using lately, this is the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation in SPF 15, and the color that I am using is in Honey Beige or medium tan, warm, whatever you want to call it. Surprisingly, the concealer that I've been using has not been my Tarte Shape Tape that I have grown to love so much. I've actually been reaching for my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Medium 2 Ginger, mainly because of the reason that it is getting a little closer to the summertime for me. So my skin color starts to get a little bit darker, so I'm gonna actually have to go out and get a different Shape Tape color for the summertime because I do tend to get very dark during the summer. So the color that I have is just extremely too light for me right now, and I don't want to have that with like reverse raccoon look going on. So I have been grabbing my Nars concealer instead. The next thing that I've been using is the contour from Wet n Wild. This is just the Mega Glow Makeup Stick Contour. This one is in the color Call Me Maple. Ever since I started using it, I just cannot stay away from using this cream contour. It has been such a huge fan of mine. I guess mainly for the simple fact that it is so easy to blend out. So I really like using this. The next thing I have, ever since I got this in my BoxyCharm, I have been using this. This is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush Hush Blush. This color has just been such the perfect like mauvey pink blush that I just cannot get enough of it. So I have been using it non-stop since I received it. The next thing is a tried and true. This is my OFRA highlighter in Rodeo Drive. This right here, I mean, I have not come across a highlighter yet that performs as well as this one does. So totally loving this. The next thing is for my eyebrows. I kind of go back and forth between using the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony and the e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream. This one is an Espresso. Mainly the reason I kind of use this one sometimes is it is a little bit darker, not darker, but a little bit lighter in shade than the Anastasia Ebony one that I use. So some days when I don't want my brows to be quite so dramatic and dark, I go with this one instead. And it really does work very well. It's like almost right up there with the Anastasia pomade. The next thing on the list is the Kat Von D Lock-It Eyeshadow Primer. It's a color correcting eyeshadow primer. This one is in light. I pretty much really like having a really light base to start my eyeshadows out on. It just brings the colors out that much more. So huge fan of this. The palette that I've been using lately is from Winky Luxe. This was actually in one of my BoxyCharms boxes that I had, and this is the perfect palette for prowling about. And these are the colors that it has in it. I really like it for the simple fact that it has this great like all over shadow to kind of set down everything, a great transition color, and then a darkening color here, which is like a deep brown. And then from there you can kind of just pick out of the different like satin colors that they have. The one that I am wearing today is this one here, which is Holographic is the name of it, and it's a really pretty, it looks pink, and then you can tell that it has a shift to it where it kind of shifts to like a blue color. So I really like the way that this color comes out on the lid, and I just use it all over the lid whenever I am using that color. The next thing, now sometimes I'll wear eyeliner, well actually the majority of the time I do wear eyeliner, and my tried and true, I don't think I could ever just turn away from this. It is the tattoo liner in Trooper from Kat Von D. This is my all-time favorite liner. I have not come across anything yet that holds up to this liner. So if you know of one that is better than this, tell me in the comments, because I will definitely try it out. The other eyeliner that I use, and I use this one in my waterline just to help brighten up the eyes. This is the Rimmel London in the Nude, and this is a waterproof eye definer. So it works really great for being in the waterline. I don't have to worry about it coming off so easily. The powder that I have been using is my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation. This is in the color Warm Beige. Again, because I have oily skin, I really like using a powder that is going to help kind of tone that down some for me. My setting spray that I've been using, this came in my Medusa's makeup subscription box, and this is the Medusa makeup setting spray. I really like this because of the simple fact that it is cruelty free, it is vegan as well, paraben free, gluten free. So super great stuff in there. It's also got active botanicals in it, so you don't have to worry about all the nasty stuff in there. The mascara, my mascara that since I have bought it, I just can't get enough of it, is the Benefits BADgal Bang. I use this pretty much every day that I wear makeup. This is the mascara that I go to. I have tried a couple of other ones that's come out since then, and I'm just not a fan of it at all. This is just the one that I go to from now on. The lip liner that I have been loving is from Jonteblu, and this is in Rich Red. This works really great for the lipstick that I'm wearing, which is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in Sarafine, and it is the perfect blue-red, basically red with a blue undertone. Absolutely favorite. Before I found this, I was using Rum Red, I think, or something like that, from Lime Crime's Velveteen line, and then also the Jeffree Stars, which was the Rum Red, and then the Red Velveteen from Lime Crime. Those were the other two that I was using that has that like blue undertone with the red lip, red color. But since I came across the Anastasia, this is what I have been wearing along with her other one, which is in the color Vamp. It's just a little bit darker of a color, more of like a purpley kind of vampy, well obviously vampy color, hence the name. So those are the products that I have been loving for the month of March. Tell me down in the comments below what favorites have you been using, so that way I can check them out if I haven't already tried them. I thank you for watching. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you will be reminded the next time I upload. As of right now, my schedule is looking to be having uploads on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I again thank you for watching. You have a great day.